Today's the 25th of November, and I'm hoping until the 25th of December that I will complete 1,000 sit-ups. This is to help the Oxford and Sandy Black Pig Group Foundation charity, and I'm a bit mad, I know, but let's see what happens, and I hope you support me. Thank you.
1, 2.
Let's leave Kim there for a minute doing her sit-ups. If you would like to donate to the charity in aid of Kim's 1,000 sit-up challenge, head over to the website oxfordsandyblackpiggroup.org. There's an option in the top right corner there to donate with PayPal. If you click on there, you're able to specify an amount and donate via your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can use the donate with a debit card option there and pay that way, or alternatively, you can pay by bank transfer. Our bank details are in the description of the video below. Please just specify a reference on that 1,000 sit-up challenge so we can tag that. And also, if you are a UK taxpayer, we are registered for HMRC's gift aid scheme. So it'd be great for anybody that would complete a gift aid declaration form. You can do that from our website there, as you can see under charity gift aid declaration. For every £1 that you donate, we will get an extra 25 pence back from the government as part of that scheme. So thank you very much for your support. Let's go back and see how Kim's getting on.
20. 21.
I'm hoping to do 30. It's my first day.
23, I don't think so. 24. 25.
What's my hand doing?
26. 27. 28. 29. 30.
Yay!
Hey!